Hello and welcome. Today we will speak about latex and chemistry. So, if you are studying medicine, chemistry, or something like this, please stay with me, and I will show you how to write nice PDF documents for your study or work or thesis, something like this. So, we will start. So let's look together what we are doing. We will create together this nice book, for example, with chapters, section, and subsection, with these 4 nice packages which we will use. And believe me, it will help you so much. Okay, so at first open your Latex console and please download all packages which I will say to you. We will use hem package. Please download or update it. After we will use chemfic package, XY matrix, XYM text. So please download these packages or update. So it will be like this, and please wait until it will download, and after close this window as I just make for you. Please download all packages individually separate. So as you can see, if it's finished, you can close. So now we are in text editor. Our text editor is TextWorks. You can use another Visual Studio Code or Techly or online overleaf what you like. So this is my PDF document which I'll show you at first. We created a tunnel. After we will use to create some another diagrams, and we will try at the end with color. Okay, so if you know this principle, you can after create more documents. So I just created document class book. Why book? It has more advantages like disadvantages, so we will see. After we will use the packages chemfic, hem, all XY packages, and syntax. The font which I'm using is SF family. And after we begin our document with chapter, and we have section package chemfic. With this package, we can use the text package to produce its graphics. So I'm just creating a tunnel, and as you can see, the PDF is like this. Don't be afraid. I will put the code on my GitHub so you can look slowly, or you can just in your web browser you can find it and copy and paste. So another package which I'm using is package to typeset chemical formula and equation. Very easy. Another package is package XY matrix. It's a little bit complicated to create, but don't be afraid. It's like this. And if you are a little bit more skill, you can create it very quickly, and it wouldn't be so heavy for you. So with this XY matrix, you can create another diagrams. It's not problem. And the package XYM tech, which you can create a structure like this, and the last package you can see the same with color. It means you have so much possibilities how to create your documents, how to write for you something like this. And I hope it will be very useful for you. So I hope you like this tutorial, And if you like more tutorials like this, please subscribe my channel and give me a like. I will be very happy. It will motivate me to make more videos like this. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye everyone.